right, everybody, we got one of our 340 Chryslers here. The gentleman sent us this block, so we remachined his block. Then we put all brand new heads on it, made it a hydraulic roller cam in it. Got a nice Edelbrock intake on here. Then we got we got the Edelbrock intake, Edelbrock carburetor on this. Runs fantastic. Check it out. Anything we can help you with, you give us a call here at Proformance Unlimited. It's building one engine at a time, and we're always working our ass off for you. Peace, everybody. That's it. Okay, R&D, I got your 73 Dodge Challenger engine. It's a 340 Chrysler engine we built. Runs beautiful. Gonna fire up, give you a run demo.